Sometime YouTube Studio not show the perfect location who is watching your video. So how we can check if our video have minimum amount of views? Here we show you how you can check that. Just you need to go studio.youtube.com with your login channel login. Then just click on analytics. As you click on analytics, it will take you analytics page. Then you just need to click audience. Here you can see top geographics. It's not enough geographic data to show this report. So how we can resolve that problem? Just need to click increase the time span. It show last 7 days, last 98 days, last 90 days and lifetime. So I have many very small amount of views, so I just click lifetime, and now you can see it start showing me countries like Pakistan, India, United Kingdom and United States and their percentage. So for using that trick you can see the geographics of your channel video views. Thanks for watching.